So, this is the Liebherr, hopefully. Yay! This is just a test, by the way, that we have to do. It says on that page. Does the motor go around? Wheels go around? Or should I say tracks? The motor thing on the top?
We have to reconnect.
We have to reconnect to the app. Connected.
Then if I do that.
Nice. So that's the little battery pack. If I'm honest, we've had a nightmare getting that light to come on. We're using some batteries that were pretty old. So it's all working as it should. So there'll be more videos when we finish bag 2, which might be certainly not tonight. We're drinking Jack and gin. So no. We'll keep you posted, guys.